Hello everyone, my name is Shyamji and today I am going to solve the problem number 448 on Leetcode, that is find all numbers disappeared in the array. So we have given an array and the value of the array will be from range 1 to n, and there is some numbers are missing and some numbers have appeared like twice and thrice. So you need to find just which number are not appeared in the array. So if I have given the array like 1, 2, 2, 3, so your array size is 4 and the value will be in the range from 1 to 4. But we need to find which number is not appeared in the array from 1 to 4. So if I check, so 1 is appeared, 2 is appeared, 3 is appeared, but 4 is not appeared. So I will just return 4. So this is the problem. So I will solve the first test case. So we have given the first test case, that is 4, 3, 2, 7, 8, 2, 3, 1. This is the first test case. So the size of the array is 8, and so number will be from 1 to 8. So I will just check which number is not appeared in the array. So how can I find it? So first suppose someone can think that if I will sort the array like it will become 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, then 7, 8. And now I will check that if our this element is greater than this means it is available. Now I will check for it. Or either I can just check that because I know at index 0 the value is 1, at index 2 the value is 2, at index 3 the value, at index 2 the value is 3, at index 4 the value is 3, but I need at index 4 is 4. So this way I can also check that which element is not appeared. I can also use hash map in this problem because if I map the value like 1 appears 1 times, 2 appears 1 times, 3 appears 2 appears 2 times, and 3 appears 2 times, 4 appears 1 times, 7 appears 1 times, 8 appears 1 time. So now I will check that which number is not appeared in the array. So I will need to use the hash map in this problem. But I can think that another approach that will be optimized. So because I am using here order of n space, so like in the form of hash map, so this will be an approach. But the question has also mentioned that you can use the hash tables in this problem, and you can also use any other data structure if you know that it will be optimized. So in this problem, we will use HashSet because I know that we have given the value like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 7, 8, and 2 appears 2 times and 3 appears 2 times. So I will just store it in the HashSet, and now I will check that I will start a loop from 1 to 8 and check for that every value that it is appeared in the set or not. Like for 1 is appeared, yes, then I will move to 2. Then I will check 2 is appeared, yes. Then 3 is appeared, yes. 4 is appeared, yes. 5 is appeared, no. So I will put into in the any array list because it want to return the array list. So 5 will be inserted in array. Now I will check 6 is appeared, no. Then I will insert 6. Now I will check 7 appeared, yes. Then I will check 8 appeared, yes. So I will find two value that is not appeared, so I will return it. So let's dry run for the first test case. So first I will show you the code, then I will dry run on it. So here is the code. So it want me to return the array list. So instead of returning in array, because I don't know how many value are not appeared in the array. So I will create a dynamic array list because it want me to return array list. Now I will create a set and insert every value of the array into the set. So every value of the nums array will be inserted in the set. So any value if appeared it twice or thrice, so it will be inserted one time. Now I will start a loop from 1 to nums.length because the value of the number is range from 1 to length. Now I will check if that any value is not appeared in the set. So I need to add it into the array because this can be my answer. So this will be my answer. So I will add in it into the array. So this approach I will use in this problem. So let's dive run on the test case because if I am checking that any value is appeared in the array list or not, so it will take order of n steps. But if I use order of n time complexity for it, and if I use a set and check that any value appeared in the set, so it will take order of one space. So that will be better for me in this case. That's why I'm using this set. So it will take order of n space. So I will check for that every value. So just see the test case. So in the first test case, like if I remove the repeated element like 2 and 3, so current now it is my set. And I will check that 1 is appeared, yes, 2 is appeared, yes, 3 is appeared, yes, 4 is appeared, yes, 5 is appeared, no. So I will add it into the array. And now I will check 6 is appeared, no. So I will add it into the array. Now I will check 7 is appeared, yes, 8 is appeared, yes. So now we have two values that is 5 and 6. I will return it. For the second test case, we have given the value like 1 comma 1. So when I will add into the array, so it will be removed. Now I can check that the length of the array is 2. So the value required in the array that is 1 and 2 because 1 to length. So 1 and 2. But now I will check that which value is not appeared. So 1 is appeared, yes, and 2 is appeared, no. So I will add it into the array and now I will return. So this will be the approach. Because it required, it has given the length will be 10 to the power 5. So I need to solve it into the order of n space because if I will use any another approach, that will take time limit. That's why I'm using order of n time complexity approach. So the time complexity of this approach will be because I am creating a set and inserting every value of the array list into this set. So let us suppose that the size of the array list is 10 and one number is missing. So 9 number will be unique because one is repeated, that is missing at the place of the number that is missing. So that will take space 9 in worst case, or any number if there is all number are appeared, so set will take space 10. So I will use like order of n space in the form of set. Now I am using two loop like one for loop for adding element into this set. So it will take order of n time complexity, and for this it is also take order of n time complexity because set dot contains method takes order of n space order of one time. So it will also take order of n time complexity. So we are using to for loop differently. So it will become order of 2n. 2 is avoided because it is constant. So time complexity will be order of n and space complexity will be order of n also. So this is the approach. Thank you.